We all have connection to schools because we've all been here. We're forming relations with our teachers, with friends. We're creating our core memories. What drives me to come to work every day is the ability to make spaces for kids and make our environments a better place.
Mike has transformed what Hemet Unified facilities are and what the expectation is.
It's not just the building, schools are a place where the community comes. 1883 was the first schoolhouse for Winchester, so it is the longest continuous running school in Hemet Unified.
It goes to represent the heritage that we have, the programs that have been here, and the students that have gone through the system.
It's nice to see how people saw it before and how they're seeing it now. The community is very proud.
Many of the schools that Mike has modernized here in Hemet Unified have been built in the 50s.
We had a lot of leaks in our classrooms. I felt like there were really tight spaces. The library wasn't really a library, it was kind of like two classes combined.
After the renovation, it's just like way cleaner.
It's brighter, it feels more open.
This is like more fancy, more modern.
He has looked into what is it that's going to make the environment conducive to the learning process and taking care of the whole child.
There's been a big push over the past decade or so just about optimal learning environments. We're looking at the benefits of natural lighting in a classroom and how that helps with test scores. The access to biophilia, so students can just see outside and see greenery.
It makes you feel like you're outside because, all the light and there's just space in the room.
When a student feels comfortable in a space, learning happens.
My favorite place to visit is the library.
He did say your library should be the focus of your school.
I love coming to the new library because it's spacious. You have room to do more activities.
He is always thinking about the kids.
There's kids on that campus who like construction or would be interested in going that route. We can turn that into a STEM opportunity.
He is the facilities director, but he's also an educator.
Mike is masterful in maximizing those bond dollars. He did all kinds of innovative things to help the design of the school make it a better place for kids to achieve.
It's not just the library, it's the classrooms. It's the aesthetic of the front office.
They used to have a fence, but now that we have brick walls, the kids won't talk to strangers.
We want to make sure our campuses are safe and secured, but also they don't feel like a prison. We use the building as the fence, so when you drive by the school, it feels welcoming and inviting.
After he's gone in and done a modernization on a school, he holds post-occupancy interviews.
How do they like their school? What's working well for them? What are some things that we can change?
Back then, the AC units weren't quite working, so you can't really focus because of the heat.
I played volleyball in the gym. It was unbearable. I couldn't really focus right.
There was complaints about the AC at every home game during the warmer months. When you walk in our gymnasium now, our renovations make an impact.
With the gym and the AC, it's really impacted the whole entire school.
It was a totally new look. The focal point draws into our school logo that's on our gym floor. It made us feel a little bit more proud of what our school looked like when other teams would come.
The students that go here, they identify with their elementary school, their middle school, their high school. I love the work because the things that we're doing are going to be here for a long time, talking decades, right? And so you have the ability to impact the school culture and do lasting things. And at the end of the day, it's for the kids and the community.